Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm a little bit confused. The gentleman I'm trying to help sent me a video, and I was a little bit confused with that. Because it has color, but then he sent me one of my videos, what I did reverse engraving. Now, this white box isn't really a box, and I'm hoping I'm understanding him right. You can see that the white box is not a box. It's just the red box. So I don't know that he even needs this. And why the letters are in color. So I'm going to select it all. I'm going to left click, right click and get an outline. But this is a curve. So I've got to go to object and convert it to an object. And then I get a left click, right click. Now, reverse engraving, you would want to make the background black. I'm going to nudge it out of the way for just a second. I'm going to fill it with black. And maybe one thing we need to do is group this together and then nudge it back. And so maybe he's not selecting both objects and then go right here to back minus front. Now that looks like white letters, but it's not. So everything in black will engrave, but everything in yellow is transparent and will not engrave. So for the one I'm doing it for, if I'm off base, I know he's on the other side of the world. I think he's in Australia, and I'm in Central Texas, so he'll probably get back to me tomorrow. It's almost bedtime here. But this is in reverse engraving, which is really cool. It really makes, so anything in white will be the color of the wood. And especially if you had like a border of the wood, let's make the wood brown. And let's go object, order, back a page. That's what it's going to look like engraved. I mean, if you put a frame around it. So everything in black will be taken away and everything in the brown will be wood colored. I hope that was the question, and if not, we'll do a second video. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.